Good morning, guys. These are some of the things that I pulled. Just got to the Sofitel in Beverly Hills. I just got to the photo shoot that I'm styling for Veronica and Vanessa. Look at all these pieces. So cute. I'm styling them for their banner, like artwork cover stuff. So it's gonna be like all their, hi Joey, all their like new branding stuff. It's like a lot of colors that are in their logo. Just like fun spring, summer. I'm so excited.
This was the belt.
It looks like a disaster, but it actually made the entire look because it tied in the gold buttons with Vanessa's gold buttons, and they both had like pretty gold jewelry on.
So it was like perfect for the front, but like the whole back, if I turned around, it was
like hideous. Literally 3 seconds later, I'm really excited to go raid Amber's closet. Amber's. I never really wear earrings like this. So I feel like it was just like whatever. Like it wasn't like, that's so mean to say because they spent like 5 years like doing this set and everything, and I'm like, it's okay. I actually need to fix this. Wait, you look so pretty.
Thank you. Don't mind me. I'm just trying to. Oh, it just came undone.
You're gonna come. I'll fix you when you're in your like in position to start shooting. How are you guys? Still clean. You guys are still all clean and white.
Looks like I got into some like self tanner. Are you sure we can get these dirty?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to Painting with the Merrell twins. I'm Veronica. And I'm Vanessa. And today we're going to paint each other.
You look perfect. I think you should do smaller ones too.
Maybe I could do small pearls. Did I have small pearls?
The pearls.
The little tiny ones?
Yeah. When your phone's at like 5% and there's no iPhone charger, only Android. I didn't even know Androids were real.
You didn't even know Androids were real. Still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Are you guys gossiping?
Mm-hmm. That's a wrap!
Yay!